Today we're going to be talking about lawn rainouts and the 1 week Milorganite update. Stay tuned. This weekend I had plans to get out in the yard and actually get some of the N-ext products down. Yes, I've been calling them RGS, but I'm using the N-ext biostimulant pack from the lawn care nut. Shout out to him, got some free stickers from him. Much appreciated, thank you very much. I was wanting to see what some good aerate would do on my lawn. I know I had mentioned in my first video that we had our lawn hydro-seeded and that they offered a package where they did some weed applications and they offered an aeration. And they came out 2 days ago and they actually aerated my lawn for me. So now I have aerate and it's aerated. I want to see what the results of that are. I got a good test without anything because I threw that Milo down, have good shots from there. Take some shots today as maybe a 7-day follow-up on that Milo app. And when it actually dries out a little bit, I'm going to throw some of that aerate down. See what kind of green we can get out of this bad boy. Pusher. What do you do when there's a rain out? Had a whole lot of things I had planned for the weekend. I have Fridays off, Saturdays off, and Sundays off. But look at this. Man, I want to get out there and get her green. But that wasn't the case. It's welcome that it's raining. It's very welcomed because it's been kind of a little bit drier. Haven't had a whole lot of snow nor rain this year. Without the extra rain and without the extra snow, the soils are kind of dry. Kind of hard to get a little bit of moisture down into them. It's you can get a little moisture about 4 to 6 inches down, but the top portion of it has been considerably dry this year as I've went out and checked it and tried to check for soil temperatures and different things. Getting excited for the season. Man, what do you do on a rain out? Leave it in the comments below. I want to know what you guys do. How do you plan your weekend? How do you plan your days? I feel like maybe I should be studying, making a game plan, but this is what we chose to do. Don't you get puncher? Swing with it. Swing and miss. Strike two. Woohoo! Swinging it. Oh, swing and miss, Dad. Oh, it's down. That was the wrong ball.
It was?
Yeah, you didn't use the cue ball. Good shot, though.
No, I did. Look.
That wasn't the cue ball.
Yeah, it was.
Promise you it wasn't the cue ball.
What ball was